We have Jason from LDO here. It's your first visit to
Yeah.
West3D, so
Yeah.
I'm super happy to have you.
Yeah, I'm happy here to see our friend here, West3D, our major reseller here in American, and we have a lot of stuff like Borrow, Positron, Milo CNC, and all the parts for the 3D print. So, yeah.
And we really like LDO. LDO's a super, if you guys aren't familiar, I mean, major supplier of a lot of stuff that we have here, and we'll go in the back of the warehouse and you'll see a bunch of LDO stuff. Great support, good people to work with, and they take care of their customers as well as us. So thank you, and thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, always try to make a reliable production for the community and make our customers happy, make our reseller happy to do the win-win-win business.
Totally. That's nice. Well, I thought, since we haven't actually done a walkthrough, we moved here in May, so we were going to do a walkthrough and we were going to show you around. So
Yeah, it's a happy.
we're going to bring other people by. So we're opening up a small retail space, which is what you see here, and so we'll allow local people to come in, buy 3D printers, buy 3D printing parts, accessories. Most people come in and buy filament. But we'll also have some, just to show off some of the products that we sell. So 3D printers, we've got the Cocoa Press, which we'll be selling here locally pretty soon. Stuff to play around with, custom extrusions here from DLL PDF.
Beautiful.
Showing off HueForge. We work with that team a lot. We'll have the filament. I don't know if you've seen like the filament tester and stuff like that. A lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
The tension meter I took home.
Yeah.
But we have some store displays and stuff like that, so people would be able to actually test the tension meter. This is just a DIY sort of tensioner you can.
Yeah, it's a really handy way to get feel for our printer farm and try to use it to do some tension.
Were you able to use it?
Yeah. We recently we built a small print farm to print some LDO feature, the borrow parts, right? Included the version D for those 3D print
Okay.
parts. So we just last time I got two or three from you, and I put to our 3D print farm. It's really useful.
That's cool. So the 3D printed parts that you're doing, would that allow people to just print like the standard parts or use like the printed forward program, and you can get all the LDO stuff with it?
Yes, that's our idea. So it's less confusion for PIF print team because we have some trouble before because of LDO featured parts. So they can do much easy for the PIF program.
That's awesome. So yeah, then we've got where you will get rung up and all that stuff. We'll usually have swag. So right now we've got the West3D labeled chocolate.
That's yummy stuff.
The kids come in and love it. Our filament wall, which will show off mostly our Ambrosia line of filament. Obviously, we'll have 3D printers running right now. We're doing all Toys for Tots stuff, which we'll be donating at the end of the year. All of our different linear rails. I actually think I need to throw LDOs on here. I don't have an LDO rail here, but we'll have different rails to be able to. We are a supplier of the LDO rails. We're gonna have some other demos. We've got Alan actually put together like this fan demo, so if you want to see what the airflow is for different fan lens, you can like test it and and like that's what a Delta will feel like. That's what a GDS time will feel like, and you can tell the difference between them.
Sure.
And then I guess we can walk through this way. So this space is I don't even know how large it is. It's not very large. It's definitely a small format retail. Our warehouse is this side's about 3,500 square feet.
Oh, pretty large. Yes, a lot of German here.
Yeah, I mean, I think 2 years ago we were in my garage with like 300 square feet. Like this is.
This is awesome.
So mostly, first heroes here are almost all filament. It takes up a lot of space.
Yeah.
We have 3 packing stations, so this is one of them. We have our other 2 packing stations are up at the front.
Yeah. Well, hello. Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is Jason from LDO, guys.
Yeah, I think we met a few times at some show. Yeah.
And yeah, so we've got all of our packages. In fact, it actually looks like we sold it a V2 kit.
Okay. Just ready to go.
It's ready to go.
Okay.
All of our UPS stuff comes here.
Yeah.
All of our stuff to the post office goes in that
Yeah.
giant bin there.
Oh, it's nice. Nice packing station.
Yes, and then we've got all of our hot ends.
Yeah.
All of our PCBs are here. All of our controllers and
I see.
those things.
Yeah.
Here we've got, in fact, the Leviathans sitting over here.
Okay.
All of our heaters.
Yep.
Build plates.
Yeah.
Basically, this whole section here.
Nice.
We've got a bunch of kits. So, all of our 3D printers and kits. We've got some Milos here, some 3D printers. This is our receiving area, stuff we haven't been able to put on the shelf yet.
Yeah.
More kits and boxes.
Yeah.
All of our packing supplies.
Oh, is that the Milo? It's a lot.
These are Milos, yeah.
Yeah, I love the.
A lot of Milos. We've got, all of our panels, filament dryers, frames, so all the clicky clack doors. And
Oh, nice.
all of those things are there. Frames are all down here.
Yeah.
More frames. We have a lot of frames. More clicky clack, mini fridge,
Yeah.
other frames.
Yeah.
The part that shouldn't be looked at.
Cool.
Just and then back to
all the
filament, and then we're
filament.
back back around here. So
Cool.
we're
It's really nice. I mean, it's a nice small shop and a nice warehouse. Everything very neat, organized, and yeah.
we did that the last 2
Yeah.
weeks here. It
Yeah,
was
that's
like
a lot
Jason's
of
coming.
work.
We got to get things
Yeah.
we've got to get things ready.
I believe you guys spend a lot of time to make this happen.
Yeah, no, it's something else. I mean, we moved. If you came here before May, we were in a place that was exactly half this size.
Yeah. Okay.
And so if you think of like how much shelf space we've used, like
Yeah.
we would have been drowning in the other place. It just
Yeah.
couldn't have made it happen.
Yeah.
So yeah, this has been really nice. Alan, for if other people are thinking about opening up a warehouse, these shelves, I have to show. These shelves are the way to go. So for just space efficiency,
Cool.
you can roll them so you can
Yeah.
fit a lot more.
Yeah.
Whereas these, because you have to have big walking aisles, they're not
I see,
super
I
efficient. So anyway, if anybody's opening up a warehouse, highly recommend
Oh, it's very
rolling
cool.
shelves.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Do you make
And then
the
you can
wheels
walk
by
them, yeah.
yourself, or it's
No,
From
you
Home
can
Depot
buy them
somewhere.
from
Okay.
Uline. So
okay?
Yeah.
That's cool. I think that's a good idea.
it's super efficient.
Yeah.
And then all the V2 and Trident kits and stuff like
Cool.
that go here. Rev D, so far people have been really happy with it.
Yeah,
We've
nice.
got our first people that have finished their build recently. So yeah, it's been awesome.
Cool.
And then I can show you our office.
Okay.
A lot less exciting.
Yeah. But it's office.
Yeah, it's an office.
Yeah, nice office. Small but nice office.
Yeah, so we've got our desk where the work happens.
Yeah.
We've got, this used to be our sign that used to be outside of our other building,
Yeah,
like up at the top.
Yeah.
So we were able to redo that, and then we're building a small workbench to be able to
Yeah.
either build or
I see.
repair some
I see.
printers. In fact, like the switch wire, which I believe was an LDO switch wire early on.
Yeah. It
we've got-
is.
We've got here that we have to work with, and then
Mhm.
our version of the Rook, which we're no longer carrying,
Yeah.
but that broke. So,
Yeah.
And it has nothing to do with the quality of the Rook. It has to do with the quality of UPS shipping.
Mhm.
It just broke in transit. So,
Yeah. So LDO Rook should be coming soon, right?
Yes, I think we're getting them on Monday.
Monday.
That's what Tina said.
Yeah,
so,
yeah. Cool.
Sometime next week.
Yeah.
So if you pre-ordered one and you see this between now
It should
and
be shipped
next
next
week,
week.
you'll have.
Oh,
it.
that's cool.
So, yeah, that's exciting.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the place. We just set this up 2 days ago too, so we'll start
I see.
something for people from the
Yeah.
street so they can
Yeah.
see, and then
You can see from outside.
yeah, and then starting next weekend, I believe we're going to be open on Saturday and Sunday, so people when they locally that want to come pick up and stuff like that, they'll be able to do that.
Sounds good.
So, yeah, it's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah, awesome. Well,
Thank you.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that.